So I just thought I'd point you out to this analytics tool, and it's a free analytics tool for crypto. So Dune.com is the site to go to, and you can search for things here. But you've got analytics for various things. So there's a lot on Steppen, for instance. But there you go, OpenSea as well. So let's just have a look at OpenSea. I don't really know much about OpenSea apart from it's an NFT sales platform. But there you go. So on the Ethereum chain, OpenSea monthly volume, and you got like 2 billion. Okay. Okay, so you've got like the monthly volume. So you can have a look at May so far. What's that? 2.4 billion USD. Okay, that's the monthly volume. So you can basically see if something's going up or down. You know, if there's interest in NFTs. Okay, so you see it's pretty, I'd say pretty flat at 2.4 billion. Daily volume. Okay, so it splits it up, and obviously certain days where maybe you had some NFTs that have come out that which are really hyped or whatever. You can see there's big volume here on is it the 1st of May? Yeah, 1st of May 2022, and they've done 476, so $500 million have been traded on that particular day. And so that's Ethereum. So you got NFTs sold, OpenSea monthly fees. So they're making 180 million a month, roughly 200 million a month. OpenSea, wow. So that's just Ethereum. Okay, and then you go down a bit and you got it OpenSea on the Polygon network. Okay, and as you can see, it's not as big. Look at the monthly volume. We're looking at 60, 70 million, whatever. Compare that to Ethereum. You can see how much bigger Ethereum is compared to, say, Polygon. And if you come down a little bit further, you've got the Solana. Obviously, Solana was put on the Solana network was put on OpenSea, and you got it here now, 40K. Okay, so that's even lower. So let's have a look back at some other stuff. So Steppen, for instance, there's the move to earn. A lot of people are interested in that, so we click on that. Steppen deposited new user increment. Actually, let's go on. Let's have a look at another one. Let's go back to the home page. Falcons, Steppen metrics. Okay. So here, for instance, so monthly active users, MAU, for Steppen. He started on the 1st, you've got 2,500 users in January, and now we're up in May, we've got 604,000. So you can see the actual growth. Okay. Sol withdrawn, deposited on the Steppen app. So purple here, you've got amount deposited in Sol. So you need Sol to buy the shoes. And then people take off a certain amount of Sol out of the wallet and maybe put it into another wallet. Okay, so in the orange, that's the withdrawn amount of Sol. So maybe people are selling sneakers and that kind of thing, or maybe they're converting their GST into Sol and then moving the Sol up. I only did that yesterday, in fact. GST withdrawn deposited amount in USDC. So you got USDC. Okay, so another currency that you can trade and get on the Steppen wallet. And she got all sorts of different metrics, just tons and tons of stuff about Steppen. You know, the price, well, obviously you can see this on CoinMarketCap anyway. GST price, you can see it's pretty slumped. Okay, but it's still over $2. I mean, even if it goes down to $1, if it went down to $1, if you earn 30 GST, you're still getting $30 a day just for walking. Okay, so obviously it's not the big money of $100 a day that people are getting and $250. So it's going to have to come down, okay, because the amount people are earning is ridiculous. Okay, so all sorts of data in here. Step and churn, retention, active and re-engagement users in 30 days. So that seems to have gone up, the churn. I'm not sure what the churn rate, I can't think what it is now. I've heard that before, but can't think what it is. Let me know in the comments what the churn means, because I can't remember. I think that's the amount of turnover of people, maybe people leaving or something like that. I'm not quite sure. I think churn is people going, leaving the scene. So maybe it's just gone up a lot. Obviously the tokens come down and maybe people are panicking and selling the sneakers. Okay. Sell deposited amount to Stefan. Okay. So let's have a look back, see if there's any other kind of projects. So let's just search Orca user growth. I don't even know what the Orca is. Solana Dex is, oh, Orca, right. I think I've got an idea, rough idea what that is. But yeah, there's tons of information here. Orca daily users, whatever Orca is, it's going up. Okay. Users, Uniswap. That looks like it's going down. Whatever that is. Completed transactions going up. Uniswap going down by the looks of it. Bots versus retailer. Okay, it's going up, whatever that means. And a nice pretty graph there. Okay. Oh, I love a little bit of data. A little bit of data analysis. Let's have a look, see what else is there. So I think maybe people are creating their own things and putting them on. Let's just have a look. Spot token holders, what's that mean? Let's have a look. Ooh, don't know what that is. Let's type in Bitcoin. Let's see what we can get from that, if there is anything. Bitcoin on Ethereum. Badger Bitcoin bridge. Ooh, Bitcoin fear and greed index. Okay, let's have a look at that. Bitcoin fear 85, greed 15. And you've got a graph, Bitcoin fear and greed index. Wow. Greed, fear. So greed is, and then price. So when the greed is up, the price is high. Okay. And when the fear comes down, the price comes down. Okay. Fear, I think. Let's have a look at all the things. So it just looks like something to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Wrap Bitcoin daily circulating supply. That's going up a lot. BTC daily circulating supply. I don't quite know what half of these things are. Ren BTCs, that's something to do Ren and Stimpy. No. Pants me. I don't really know what that is. Bitcoin. Badger Bitcoin bridge. What the hell is that? Minted Badger Bitcoin bridge. Not a clue what that is. Badger is a currency though, isn't it? It was up quite a bit recently, so I'm guessing it's something to do with that. Badger. Yeah, I saw Badger was up about 50%, wasn't it? Or even 100%. So I'm guessing it's something to do with that. Okay. But anyway, interesting site, Dune.com. Nothing to do with the film. Crypto metrics. And yeah, have a look around it. Have a dig. See what you think.